Make a great choice today with the 2019 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power tailgate, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, chrome mirror caps. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.